Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Got to move in here. A dumpster diver, PC, reclamation.
Where's your
video.
coffee cup to?
Oh, I didn't have my coffee cup with my little tinkle tinkle. Oh well. This is a little bit of a different video. Alright, there's a story behind this. This is not Coppertop's birthday, but the box was dropped off on my doorstep.
While I was in the car watching it get dropped off.
Yeah, she was in. I didn't take her away fast enough. And the delivery man blocked my van and dropped it off on the doorstep, and Coppertop brought it into the house. And so I thought, well, kind of hard to keep a secret, so she's going to get an early birthday present here. Because, now the reason we got this was because, well, go ahead, open it up. They'll see what it is. Rip, tear it. Early birthday present.
Is this? Oh my goodness, it's backwards.
It's upside down.
Upside down, not backwards.
Alright, well that's no problem. We can straighten that out.
Sides.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. Totally, like, look at how quickly she destroyed that. That's just amazing. Okay.
It's not really amazing. It's
like,
more just
wham, bam,
kind
slam.
of scary.
So what this is, it's a Sansui 27-inch monitor. Her other monitor went kaput, and I knew what was wrong with it, but I can't find my bag of capacitors because I know it's the capacitors, and I popped it off and opened it up and went downstairs to get my capacitors, and I cannot find them. I had a whole bag full of various capacitors I purchased brand new for this sort of thing because I know how to fix these monitors when they go, but
heck yeah.
I can't find it, so I just bought her a new monitor for her birthday. But then she spotted it, and I thought, you know, I'm not gonna mess around. No, you got to open it up, and that means those things are, yeah, that's right. Yeah, there we go.
Heck yeah, it even has a little.
Yeah, you got a handle for carrying it. You want help with that or no?
No.
She never wants help.
I never want help. I want to do it by myself.
So she's got a little rinky-dink 17-inch monitor that she's been using in the meantime. But we have one big birthday present for her already anyway. So
huh?
Yeah, I'm not going to say what it is.
Okay.
So this is another big birthday present, but this is definitely one of your birthday presents.
Ooh, actually, this is cool.
Yeah, this is a Sansui monitor. Now, back in the day, for those who remember Sansui, they made really good quality products in the entertainment, electronics entertainment. It is, yeah, electronics entertainment. Yeah, you have to throw that in the garbage after. And so if it's still the same Sansui it used to be,
this is also a stand.
That goes to the back, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, notice how they're made out of metal, not plastic.
Yeah.
Solid metal.
Oh yeah,
pieces.
look.
Yeah.
Child safe.
Yeah, child safe. That's good. Yep, that's solid. Yeah, that's metal. That's not plastic. That's.
There's another cord. Alright.
So maybe it's Sansui quality like it used to be. That, if it is, you have years and years on this thing because.
More child safe. Why did they put child safe on all the plugs except this one?
Standard safety standards.
But they did on every single plug except this one.
Yeah, because you can't electrocute yourself on that tip at all. That's low voltage. Interesting. It uses an adapter. All right.
Instructions.
Okay. And she throws the instructions away.
We don't need those right now.
Like a guy. Anyway, there we go. Oh, okay. Now this is an ISO monitor. So it's gonna have maybe, I don't know. It's going to have really rich colors. That's the good thing about ISO monitors, and it has a fairly good refresh rate. I mean, even if it is for
oh my goodness, it looks so funky. I love it.
Milliseconds or whatever.
Whoa.
Like 4/1000ths of a second refresh rate.
Yeah, that's
for
probably
gaming.
plastic.
I don't think she needs anything higher end. It's a nice, straight edge, like no edge on it. You can put more together if you want later on, like some of those gamers do.
Hey, what's this?
Well, that's probably a clip. We'll have to have a look. Yeah, where it clips in. So now you got to figure out how to clip this in there.
I'll figure it out. If I can figure out how to make something in Meccano, I can figure out how to do this.
You got to be gentle with it too. Yeah. If you can do your Meccano set, I think you just insert it and then it clips. That's my theory. Want a hand?
What do you think?
I can do it.
No.
Better go get those instructions that you threw away.
Let me try doing it without the instructions first.
Instructions probably tell you push it down first and then insert. I don't know. I'm guessing the little plastic thing.
Yeah, at least I know how to take it out.
Well, you got an idea how to take it out anyway.
Yeah.
Put that stand on after, I think.
So if this goes like this, and this has to go like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to go through the guides, yeah. Maybe that's it. I don't know.
I mean, it's flat against there. It's just that's bugging me. I gotta look at the instructions.
Good idea to look at the instructions. But that's solid metal. That's nice. Mm-hmm. And you can also use it on a Visa, as they say. Vesa. Yeah, you would think they would clip. But we'll figure it out. Anyway.
Hey, there is a gap there. In the instructions, there's a gap.
Yeah.
So, this is good.
That's good, eh?
Yay! I actually did it! I didn't need the instructions, Dad.
You didn't.
This is simple enough.
Hope you're not scratching the front of that screen, but yeah. Key lock. But that's just the same size as that German imported model that you used before.
Yay!
But it's this is a little bit higher quality. It's
Knew you were gonna say that.
yeah, it's 100 hertz. Well, of course, you know how I am. I always like to get better.
Better and better and better, and Susan, you're not gonna be...
Really thin.
This doesn't feel like it's supposed
Super
to
thin.
stand up like this. Like,
No. Yeah, how do you adjust it, right? I never thought of that. I'm wondering.
It's kind of curved.
Yeah. It leans forward. I don't know that it's on correctly. But,
Well, look at the instructions.
Boy, is that thin. That's really thin.
That is
Super thin,
kind of interesting. Ooh, it has little buttons. Little buttons.
yeah. Yeah, on the front for your adjustments. Yeah, we have to look at that. We'll figure it out.
Real nice.
And then it came with an HDMI cable, which is good.
See, look, there's a little gap there.
Separate adapter. Yeah, there is. But I'll have a look at it anyway. But anyway, it's bring up that box It's a Sansui, and Sansui does make quality. We'll figure out how to get this going flat again. Yeah, it's 100 hertz refresh rate, full HD. It's an IPS screen and it's frameless, so that's the good thing about it. And IPS monitors have the best color, I find myself. In fact, the IPS monitor that my wife has way better color than my 4K monitor.
But this is still good.
Yeah, I think she's going to like it. But I didn't even know Sansui was still around until I saw it on Amazon and thought, well, Sansui used to be a really good name. I don't know if there still are, but yeah. Yeah, already getting stuff on the screen here. But
well, there's no label that you peel off, which is very weird.
Yeah, that's okay. We don't need one. Looks good. All right, so again, thanks for watching. We'll get this straightened out.
Bye!
Coptop says bye. All right, there it is. A Sansui, what is it? What model number is it? Sansui ES27X3AL, it looks like. All right, there it is. All right, thank you for watching. God bless you.